Introducing Tecbears Hand-Held Printer, a palm-sized printer that allows you to print anywhere and anytime with just 3 easy steps. Connect, click, and slide. You can print on paper, cardboard, plastic, wood, cloth, food, glass, and even rounded surfaces. You can print anything you want: words, numbers, symbols, pictures, and even your own designs. You just have to create them and upload them to Tecbears Hand-Held Printer's easy-to-use app. Connect your phone to the printer via Wi-Fi. Select whatever you want to print. Press the button and start printing. The Tecbears Hand-Held Printer is very convenient, and it's able to print very detailed designs, such as QR codes and symbols. Tecbears Hand-Held Printer also allows you to print 1-inch height patterns and A4 sizes using any CMYK color. Plus, it has a powerful battery that will work continuously for 3 hours. And each cartridge will let you slide around 2,500 times. Print anything you want and everywhere you want with Tecbears Hand-Held Printer.
Meet the ChocMate 2. After more than 2 years of development, an initial idea has evolved into something exceptional. Driven by the vision of taking chocolate manufacturing one step further, we managed to simplify the process of printing artisanal chocolate so anyone can do it. Food printing does not have to be difficult. Our first generation printer was bestowed with the German Federal Award for Innovatory Achievements in the Craft Trades. With the new generation, our goal continues to be to offer the best food printing solution available, designed, engineered, and made in Germany. We truly believe 3-dimensional printing is the technology of the future. Yet the options for printing delicious food remain underexplored. With the ChocMate 2, you can create high-quality chocolate to be used in catering, hotels, marketing, fine dining, or even art. You can create beautiful personalized gifts for anniversaries or weddings. The possibilities for your creation and artistry are endless. You can print pictograms, logos, texts, cake toppers, or just about anything else. It is also possible to customize your bars of chocolate with a precision that just can't be done by hand. In all of this, the ChocMate 2 offers outstanding quality without compromise. Until now, chocolate printing has been limited to the use of compound chocolate. But by using the ChocMate 2, printing any high-quality chocolate becomes as easy as turning on the printer, inserting the chocolate, adding your unique chocolate shape, and pressing print.
Hey, I'm Benedict, the founder of Chocolate Hoch 3. I'm a pastry chef who fell in love with chocolate but is also passionate about technology. That's why I put all my energy into developing, building and improving the ChocMate 2. This second generation of our chocolate 3D printer has simplified the whole process of designing and printing unique chocolate, making it accessible to everyone. It is my ambition to have a perfection and durability with customization in mind. Back us on Kickstarter to join the chocolate revolution and start shaping the future of chocolate.
Rock-solid build. Enhanced smart features. Unlocking advanced applications and maximum productivity. Introducing Jadelabo J1, designed and priced for everyday makers. With an independent dual extruder system, Jadelabo J1 offers multiple modes, redefining productivity and possibility. In duplication mode, you can print twice as many parts compared with a regular single extruder 3D printer. Double productivity without extra cost. In mirror mode, you can print a mirrored copy of a 3D model at the same time. Cut your wait time in half without sacrificing print quality. In support mode, you can use a secondary material as a support to print complex objects. Support removal is incredibly easy and unlike anything you've experienced before. You can also save on premium materials by printing supports with a cheaper material. Imagine combining a stiff material with a flexible one. In multi-material mode, you can achieve multiple properties or colors in one single print. J1 not only increases the utility of your prints, but also supports a wide range of materials, such as PC for high stiffness, TPU for rubber-like elasticity, and many more. To achieve better print quality, J1 uses a combination of direct drive and dual drive setup, offering a highly responsive extrusion system. It incorporates easy-to-replace hot ends and supports nozzles in various diameters. Print removal is easy with the PEI surface. The build plate is reliably flat, durable, and it provides excellent adhesion. If you want to print with high-temperature materials, then you should choose the enclosed version, which also provides a more stable and even quieter environment. From electronics manufacturing and components mounting to inspection, testing, and precision parts manufacturing, everything is driven by automated systems and the spirit of craftsmanship. All structural parts have good processability, durability, and surface quality. Equipped with top-of-the-line hardware, Jadelabo J1 is silent, intuitive, and powerful. Most IDEX 3D printers are difficult to calibrate. Jadelabo J1 is different. The easy-to-use and highly accurate calibration process for both the build plate and dual extruders uses an innovative solution of contact-based electrical conductive paths. Jadelabo J1 is intelligent. It features a self-test procedure, power loss detection and recovery, and filament runout detection and recovery. J1 can even detect a knotted filament and let you resume the print. In case of filament runout or clogs, it features a backup mode that saves you time. To avoid all or nothing in duplication and mirror modes, it features Avoid Losing Both mode that lets you stop the failed print but continue printing the good one. The Jadelabo Cura is tailor-made for Jadelabo J1. It's free and open source. Wi-Fi print. You can conveniently print from your computer via Wi-Fi. You can even prepare G-code in third-party slicers, set printing modes from the touchscreen, and control Jadelabo J1 remotely with Octoprint. 3D printing has never been so efficient, useful, and exciting. Multiple modes, endless possibilities. Make different. This is Jadelabo J1 IDEX 3D printer. Join us and back us on Kickstarter today.
Plybot started with the idea of making an easily assembled flat-pack 3D printer that was economical to produce. And after a few iterations, we honed in on the notion that anyone should be able to 3D print at home with no fuss. So it needed to be user-friendly and well-designed, a pleasure to use. We also thought it should sit on your desk like a little 3D printing buddy, a tough guy who can be in action all of the time, and that you can do all kinds of fun stuff with, not a one-trick pony. And here he is. Meet Plybot, the simple, easy way to bring 3D printing home. Combining state-of-the-art technology with approachable design, Plybot is uncomplicated, works beautifully, and won't break the bank. There's zero fiddling to get started. Just switch it on, and the superior onboard intelligence does the rest. Print anything with one tap through the Plybot app. It's also super quiet. Hear that? It's Plybot's trinemic stepper drivers and 32-bit ARM CPU working together to keep the volume down. Plybot loves you this much. His robotic arms cover a wide printing area. Since Plybot's design was inspired by humans, why not dress him up? Choose from loads of different colors and even customizable graphics for his arms, like camo patterns or the Incredible Hulk. Plybot is designed and assembled with love in California. This small and mighty printer will wow you with possibilities, and its super affordable price. After years of design and development, both inside and out, this is the best version yet. See for yourself how easy it is to bring the future home.
3D printing is amazing just because it's possible, but it needs to be easy.
So the math needed to calculate the positions of the arms is actually quite complicated, but we have a strong 32-bit processor, so that's no problem.
And one thing I really do like about Plybot is the way that it looks. I've not seen a single consumer 3D printer that looks quite like Plybot. And then you combine that with the fact you can simply hit print and an object comes out perfectly every time.
Plybot breaks through the price point that keeps people away from 3D printing.
Like, everybody loves it. So when I went to science fairs, you get a ton of kids crowding the stores because they just love the arms. They love how it moves like that. They'd watch it for like 15-20 minutes, just entranced by it. That's what I liked about it. No other printers would like that.
The friendly factor of this is huge. It almost wants to reach out and hug you. If it could get its arms apart.
Please back us on Kickstarter to help Plybot and everyday 3D printing for everybody become a reality. Plybot, imagination in 3D.
Is the newest Mingda Magician X. It adopts a modular structure, only one step to assemble, a built-in box for tool storage conveniently, belt tensioners on X and Y axis to adjust the belt at any time, and the Magician X uses a newly direct extruder with a built-in filament detector, and it has a resume printing function. The double screws on the Z-axis make sure the stable movement. In addition, Mingda has developed a more intelligent leveling function. With just one click on the screen, Magician X can achieve auto leveling through 16 points. The carborundum glass platform, stronger adhesion, easy to remove models. Besides, Magician X supports multiple connection ports for printing, including UDisc, SD card, and USB-C. Last but not least, the overall structure design of Magician X and the silent driver of TMC2209 allow you and your pets to enjoy a quiet and comfortable printing environment with complete functions, stable structure, and excellent printing effect. Magician X can not only print PLA, but also the flexible material. Let your 3D design into real objects. Mingda Magician X. Simple and intelligent.